I've never seen a church with like actual stained glass like this. It's only closed in 2020. It's a cozy little area. What? It's the women's area and there's a men's area over there. It's also where the bathrooms are.
I don't think it was a church then if it was separated.
No, it was we saw the upstairs. It is a church.
Separated?
No, there's a bathroom.
Oh.
Dude.
I thought that side of the church was just for women.
Dude, churches segregate people?
Maybe we don't know when this place closed. Maybe what
It closed in like 22, surprisingly. That's cool.
a long trip.
Dude, I feel cobwebs all over me.
Coach Clark.
Jesus.
It's like the background.
Coach Clark. I think we are in the backgrounds. This is pretty nice. It's so weird how churches always leave shit behind. This feels like an old McDonald's or something right here. Hey, Jay, let's go this way. I know. It smells horrible in here. I know, I've never seen a church with like actual stained glass like this. Oh wow. It's not really anything in here. The lighting is amazing. Oh wow. It's only closed in 2020.